So I hope you can get the idea. First we create the document snapshot and we name this as a user doc. Now right in the user doc, what we assign, we just create an instance, as you guys can see right in here, right to the Firebase Firestore, right in the collection of a user. Okay, as I showed before, right in the Firebase also. So right for that current user who will be online with the specific UID, as you guys can see right in here. Okay, so simply we get the name, user image, location, and one by one we assign that to the string type variable name, the user image, right to the user image, and the location, right to the location. And guys, as I told you before, the name, user image, and the location, the name right in here and also in the Firebase. Let me show you that. There we go, right in the collection, and in here you guys can see the name spelling, right, the location spelling, and also the user image right in here, and also in the Android Studio it must be similar. If it's not similar, it will not get the data, so make sure to make it in a proper manner, and all just fine. Let's go back. Here we are. Now simply first let me show you one more time the job that we uploaded before, right in the Firebase Firestore database. There we go, right in the job collection, as you guys can see. And here we have already uploaded that job before. Okay, and right in here the location, name, user image, it wasn't uploaded at that time, so that's gonna be empty. Now we will go back to the Android Studio, and right in here we will simply hot reload the app since we make a major change. So let's hot reload the app. There we go, as you guys can see. Now let's go back to the upload screen and we will upload a new job and we will just check the result. So in here we will select the category. This time I'll go with the education and training. There we go, and the job title will be experience trainer for education department, dev, just a short name. And the description that we will write, we will say want a trainer with a 5-year of experience for that job. And you guys can write anything, whatever you want, right in here. Okay, now I will simply just choose the deadline date. I'll go with the 10, click OK, and right in here simply all the fields just fill, and we will post that. So click in here, post now. It will simply post it. As you guys can see, the circular progress indicator, the task has been uploaded. Now we will go towards the job screen. Click in here, that first one, and there we go. You guys can notice right in here it's just loading, and there we go with the user image, the name, title, and the description. It's working totally fine now, and you guys can see that. And that first one, it will be just like that because we uploaded that before, and right at that time we didn't implement that method, so it didn't get the name, user image. Okay, so that's why in here it didn't show us, as I told you before. Let's go towards the Firebase, and as you guys can see right in here, right in the collection of jobs, and there we go with our new job, that one. Okay, education training, everything is right in here. Okay, want a trainer with a 5-year of experience for that job, job ID, job title, and also the name is Zain Malik, and the user image, there we go. Okay, so it's also working totally fine right in the Firebase. It just uploaded in the right way, and the user that is online, I mean the current user, that is Zain Malik. Okay, that user. We just uploaded the job from this account, let's say ID, and there is a current user who is online right in the app. And if you go back to the jobs collection, that first job, as I told you before, it didn't get the name, user image and the location because we uploaded that job before, and right at that time we didn't implement the method which will get the name, user image and also the location, so it will not be updated because it's uploaded already. And if you guys want to change that, you can change it manually. Just simply I upload this job from the account, or let's say ID from the Zain Malik. Okay, so let's go towards the user and go to the Zain Malik because it's a current user who is online, and I have already uploaded their job before from this ID. So you can simply copy the name from here, click on that, simply copy it and cancel it. Let's go back towards the jobs, and that first one, okay, right in here, name, it's empty, click on that, in here paste it and update it manually. Okay, there you go with the Zain Malik. Now we will go toward the user image and we will get that. Okay, right in the users collection, and for that current user who is online, it's Zain Malik, and we will copy that URL from here because it's a user image for that current user. Let's go back toward the jobs, that first job in here, click on that user image and in here paste it. Now simply click on this update, it's update now. The last thing that we will get its location, so let's go and get that for that current user. Okay, the location is Spain. Copy, cancel, jobs, that first job in here, location, paste it, update. So the name and the user image is updated right in the Firebase. Okay, just refresh it. Now let's go back to the Android Studio and we will check that. Here we are, and it's working totally fine, that first job. Okay, as you guys can see right in here, the name Zain Malik, the user image and everything. Need a manager for IT business, so you can change it manually. Okay, it's working totally fine. You guys can also see the result, and that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further, so see ya.